Welcome to WizKids TV. Our animal friends are stuck in the sand. Can you help me rescue them? Let's rescue our first animal. Do you know what this animal is? It's a pig. Yes. We've rescued the pig. Let's rescue our other animal friends. What about this animal? Do you know what it is? A koala. Let's rescue our other animal friends. We've rescued the leopard. She's so happy. Let's see what other animals we have to rescue. Let's rescue this animal and see what it is. It's a frog. Let's keep going. We have more animal friends to rescue. We've rescued the turtle. Let's keep digging. We have a lion friend we've rescued. Let's keep going. We have a gorilla. The gorilla is so happy. We have more friends. Can you help me rescue them? We've rescued the chicken. Let's keep digging and see what other animal friends we have to rescue. We have 5 more friends to rescue. We've rescued the cow. Let's keep going. We've rescued the monkey. We've rescued the zebra. Yes. We have 2 more. Llama. We have 1 more friend to rescue. We've rescued the horsey. Let's see how many friends we rescued. 1 horse. 2 llama. 3 turtle. 4 lion. 5 frog. 6 cow. 7 leopard. 8 chicken. 9 monkey. 10 zebra. 11 koala. 12 pig. 13 gorilla. We rescued 13 friends. Thank you so much for helping me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.